Welcome to our application GlobeHopper, which is an LLM-based travel itinerary generator. For multi-city travel itinerary generator, we can search for Europe, and here in Europe, we can search for cities like Paris, Berlin, and Rome, and is going to give us a day-wise travel itinerary, what the user is going to do on the morning, afternoon, evening, and night, along with the beautiful pictures of the city, what is the weather like, some of the popular places to stay, with a basic introduction, what is the current weather in Berlin, which are the best times to travel out there. And also out here user can customize it or user can edit it and then user can save it to the database. Also user can create a PDF Word document for the file. Now for the single city travel, we can user can travel the city, for example Kolkata to let's say Delhi, and we can select a date and we can click on generate travel plan. But before that, we have also ensured for India that Indian custom languages have been done. So we have used Google Translator. So here the entire travel itinerary that got generated has been generated used in Bengali, as you can see from the pictures, and also from the entire thing. Also the entire route plan along with the map has been given. Also what is the weather like in Delhi. So everything has been planned out. Now, if the user wants to get some more custom information, right? The user want to search what are the, let's say, popular hotels in some place, let's say Pune or in Zanzibar city. We are going to get the entire list. So here we are able to see some of the popular destination of the hotel. User can scroll up and user can look into it. Now, user instead of going through chatbot, user can directly go to the application, and from here user can book the cities where user wants to travel to. For this, we have used some of the open source TBO APIs. TBO is the Travel Boutique Online APIs, and also we are giving custom recommendation to users. User can select the city, check-in, check-out time, what number of people that is allowed in the room, and we can click on search. We are going to get the list of hotels that user can go and stay in on those particular dates. Here you can see entire list of hotels that user can go and stay, and user can also, we have a chatbot in our UI application. But for the users who do not want to use that chatbot, we have integrated our chatbot with a Telegram app. We have named it GlobeHopper, where user can type in the queries regarding the hotel. User can want if user can book directly the hotels from the interface. Also, if somebody has some disabilities, user can type in the audio messages. It is going to take that audio message and it's going to revert or responses in form of an audio. We have used Kong API Gateway to manage our APIs and add security, rate limiting, and all the other things, and to create a single point entry which acts or which sits between our server and the client. Then we have used OpenTelemetry to collect metrics, logs, and traces data. Then Zepkins and Grafana for distributed tracing monitoring analytics, and also ELK stack for data search, analysis, and visualizations on the API. This is our Kong API gateway. Here we have added our services, routes, and various plugins along with the consumers. Here we have added a distributed tracing called Zepkins. So let me, if I open one of them. So here I'm going to get all the information, how this API is performing, what is its speed, and all the other data. Here we have used Kong request latency. So here we are getting right in Prometheus, we're getting all the API requests that have been hit. And now we have used Grafana dashboard to see how our APIs are performing. Let me refresh it. So here you're able to see how our APIs are performing: total request per second, RPS route by status code, different latencies, total bandwidth we are sending, and all the other information like Nginx controller, total connections, and all the other accepted values are coming here. Then we have used our Elasticsearch dashboard to see all the API endpoints that are getting hit, which API endpoint, how what is the response time, how can we improve our API, and also in case if you want to debug it, we can do all of these things. So let me save it. Let me click on save. Once we have done that, we can go to our discover. Here we are going to see all the API endpoints that have been hit. So if I want to see in case there is some debugging that needs to be done, we can do all of those things through this help of Kibana dashboard.